Hi, this is Jay Morin at Keller Williams Realty. So as you can see behind me, we have a weeping sand cherry. And one of the things we're doing is, if you're gonna plant a tree or an ornamental on the edge of a property, it's really good courtesy to your neighbor to train it and make sure it's not kind of interfering with their property. So what we're doing is we're actually doing almost like a vertical linear type of design with this, and we're training it so it doesn't stray over into the neighbor's yard too much and bother them. But training and pruning can be a really good way to keep your property nice, looking good, and also not interfering with your neighbor's enjoyment of their own property, which can help keep a happy harmony in the neighborhood. So just some notes for that. If you have any questions about it, reach out to me. Check out our Realty Flannel channel on YouTube, and have a great day. Take care.